The white-breasted waterhen, locally known as the Waterhen bird, is a fascinating water bird found across Bangladesh. It usually lives near ponds, swamps, and rice fields, moving carefully through the reeds. For centuries, local hunters have tried to catch this clever bird. The Waterhen is very alert. If it senses danger, it runs fast into the bushes instead of flying high. Hunters traditionally used simple traps made from bamboo or nets placed near the bird's path. Some even mimicked the Waterhen's call to attract it closer. But today, the Waterhen is becoming rare in many areas. That's why instead of hunting, many nature lovers now focus on watching and protecting this bird. Observing its behavior in the wild is far more rewarding than capturing it. The Waterhen reminds us how beautiful and clever our wetlands really are. Enjoy my full video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel